Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Navy Federal Credit Union card step by step clearly. First, take your new Navy Federal card and check the front for your name and the card type. Next, look at the sticker or insert that came with the card to find the official activation instructions. Make sure you have your Navy Federal online banking username and password ready if you plan to activate online. If you do not have online access yet, prepare to activate by phone using the number printed on the sticker or the back of the card. Choose a safe place to do this so no one can see your card number or personal information. Before you start, confirm your card is not expired and the chip is not damaged. If you are activating by phone, dial the activation number exactly as shown on your materials. When the automated system answers, select the option for card activation. Enter your full card number using the phone keypad when asked. Provide the expiration date and security code if the system requests it. Verify your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or your Navy Federal member number, if prompted. Listen carefully and repeat any information if the system says it was not received correctly. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is now active. If you prefer to activate online, open the Navy Federal Credit Union website in a secure browser. Click Sign In and log into your account using your credentials. Go to the Cards section or Card Management area in your account dashboard. Find your new card in the list and select the option that says Activate Card. Confirm the card details shown on the screen match the physical card in your hand. Complete any identity verification steps, such as a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Submit the activation request and wait for the on-screen confirmation that activation is successful. After activation, sign the back of your card immediately using a permanent PIN. Set or confirm your PIN if prompted, or create one through the Navy Federal app or phone system if needed. Make a small test purchase in person using the chip to ensure the card works correctly. If a purchase is declined, contact Navy Federal support right away using the official number on the back of your card. Turn on transaction alerts in the Navy Federal app to monitor activity in real time. Store your card securely and never share your PIN, one-time codes, or full card number with anyone. Shred any packaging that shows card details, and keep your account login information private. If you find the card missing at any time, lock or freeze it immediately in the app and report it to Navy Federal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.